Hello, my name is Tawny Perry, and this is a video on threats to internal validity for Professor Dixon's class. One of the threats to internal validity is experimenter bias. Experimenter bias is when the person or people conducting an experiment unintentionally affect the outcome by behaving in different ways to the participants in the control and experimental groups. It is possible to eliminate this threat of experimenter bias by using a double-blind study, which is when the experimenter is not aware of which category the participants are in. Experimenter bias can be because of the personal characteristics of the researcher, which influences the choices made during a study, and nonverbal cues that the researcher gives out that may influence the behavior and responses of the participants. Some of the more generic personal characteristics that may lead to bias include experimenters' age, class, gender, race, etc.